Hey there, little explorers. Today, we're going to learn all about a super cool animal, penguins. Let's dive into 10 fun facts about these amazing creatures. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. Instead, they are amazing swimmers. Penguins waddle when they walk because of their short legs. It looks so funny and cute. Baby penguins are called chicks, and they are covered in soft, fluffy feathers. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica, but they stay warm because of their thick feathers. Penguins slide on their bellies to move fast across the ice, like sliding down a playground slide. Penguins eat fish. They love to catch them by swimming super fast in the water. Penguins love to huddle together to stay warm, especially during winter. Some penguins can jump out of the water and land back on the ice. They're like little ice acrobats. Penguins make loud sounds to talk to each other, just like you call out to your friends. Penguins take turns keeping their eggs warm until the babies hatch. They're such great parents.